मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए। मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए। मन मस्त मगन तेरा।
Hi guys, this is Aisha. Yet again, welcome to Ash's Kitchen. A lot happens over a cup of coffee. They say so. Yes, but it's true. Maximum of my friends, and I also catch up over a cup of coffee. And we also say, let's catch up over a cup of coffee. So, my favorite is Starbucks and Barista, and I do go there with my friends. But every time it's not possible to hit a coffee shop. So, how do I get that coffee into my kitchen? So, I've learned how to make it. From espressos to cappuccino to filter coffees and to simple ones. How do you get it? Every coffee has a different way of, there's a different way of making every coffee, I would say. So today I'm going to make latte. So let's head on to my kitchen and check out how to make coffee latte. Let's go. So we start preparing our latte now. First we'll prepare the decoction, and this is the things which are required for it. So it would be 1 cup of water, and this is instant coffee powder. 1 second, I'll just show you. This is 10 rupees sachet which we get into the market, Nescafe. So for 1 cup of decoction, I have taken 1 cup of water, and this is 1 sachet and 1/2 sachet of this. So it is 1.5 sachet which I'm taking instant coffee powder, and this is 1/2 cup sugar. This you can take a call whether you want more, you want less, it's up to you. So we'll prepare the decoction for latte now. I'm taking 1 cup of water and I'm giving it a good boil. So the water has boiled, and immediately I'll be putting the instant coffee powder which I had shown you. So 1.5 sachet for 1 cup. And that sachet was 10 rupees, so you can figure out in the market what I'm talking about. It's a Nescafe for this thing, and I'll just give it a 30-second boil, just 30 seconds. That's enough for the decoction to get thoroughly mixed and get the aromas out of it. Immediately after putting the coffee powder, I'm putting in sugar. Again, I'm repeating, you have to take a call on the sugar as per you like your sugar to be taken. So it's ready, the decoction is ready, and I'm just shifting it to the next burner, and I'm taking the milk. I've already boiled the milk. I'm just reheating it, and I will show you how to create the froth now. So the milk has come to a boil, and I don't have an electric beater, so I'm using this hand beater, and I would be continuously creating a nice foam by whisking it, and this of course requires a bit of hard work. In case if you have an electric beater, then nothing like it, but since I don't have it, so I need to create this foam froth, whatever you say, which has to be laced on to the top of the coffee, which is the main toppling of latte. This foam comes up only when the gas is on medium, and in that medium gas you continuously monitor the milk and create a froth. So this, you can see it's so foamy and frothy. We are going to lace it up now. I'll switch off the gas because I've created the desired foam. Now we will start making our cup of coffee. So this is my coffee cup, and I would be pouring the decoction which I had prepared. In short, this is also called an espresso decoction. So this would be around 2.5 serving. You can see the spoon. So you can also use, if you have this, or somewhat similar to this. Now I would be pouring the milk. So now I would be pouring the milk, steam milk. So 2.5 big spoons of decoction, and then the remaining would go the milk. I'll just fill it up till the brim, because we have to leave a little space for the froth. So I'll show you now what to do now. So now the coffee we have placed it. Now comes the time to lace it up. As I had told you, this is what we had created. So nicely we would take from up. I would collect the foam froth, whatever you call it, and then it would be toppled up with this. So it becomes a nice netted sort of foam. So my coffee is ready. This is latte, and I have tried it umpteen number of times, and I always get the same taste of the coffee shop. So every time we just cannot be there. So please follow this recipe, and I assure you it's really awesome. As you can see, I have attained the desired foam as well without an electric beater. But if you have, then it's too good. So do make your cup today and have it with your favorite cookie or a cake. So we'll come up with something new. For now, take care. Bye bye.